Welcome to this walkthrough of Mago Essential, the platform that makes wireless presenting, video conferencing, and collaboration simple and seamless. Step by step, we'll guide you from the very first activation to advanced settings, showing how Mago adapts to different meeting scenarios and needs. Let's get started. Make sure your system is ready. Visit kb.mago.io to access our knowledge base. Check the hardware and software requirements to confirm your device is compatible. Review the network requirements to ensure a smooth and secure experience. Follow the prerequisite checklist to complete all the necessary steps before installation. Getting started is quick and simple. Go to admin.mago.io. Sign in with your Microsoft, Google, Apple account, or create a new Mago account. Go to the Download section. Select Mago Essential, then click the Download button to get the latest version. Once installed, you have to activate the product. Use a mouse and keyboard to configure the connection, or use a mobile or laptop following the on-screen instructions. To activate, either scan the QR code or go to admin.mago.io/activate and enter the 6-digit code displayed on your device. Click on Start Trial. Let's activate Mago Essential Trial. Make sure your software is up to date. Choose a username and an optional password for your device. Select your preferred language and time zone. In the display settings, you can configure Mago Essential in 3 different ways. Standalone or with Room Kit. Connect Mago Essential directly to the display or to the HDMI input of a Microsoft Teams room or Zoom room. On the Room console, press Share and share your content wirelessly on the screen. Otherwise, you can select the BYOM with Dongle setup. Connect Mago Essential to the display and the video bar to the BYOM receiver. Insert the transmitter into your laptop. When the light turns green, you can start your meeting. Camera and microphone automatically switch to the room equipment. Finally, you can select the BYOM without dongle setup. Connect Mago Essential to the display and the video bar. From your laptop or phone, go to magolink.com, enter the 6-digit code shown on the screen, and start your meeting. You can also join a Microsoft Teams call directly using PIN IDI and meeting code. Go to Appearance to adjust your settings, such as the device name displayed on screen. Once the setup is complete, Mago Essential is ready to use. Open the Mago Settings application for additional configuration options. You have now seen how to activate your trial, configure Mago Essential, and explore the main features that make meetings easier and more collaborative. For more details, tutorials, and resources, visit mago.io. Thank you for watching.